Good morning. Hey guys, so it is officially day 3 on my 11-day Caribbean cruise on Norwegian Jade, and it is day 3, but we are just now making it to our very first port for this cruise. Yesterday was a full day at sea, and honestly these views are kind of amazing. So I guess I have some good news and bad news, right? The good news is we made it to our first port. The bad news, the weather isn't looking that great right now, right? It is a pretty gloomy day. It's already been raining off and on. The cruise pilot, what do you call someone who directs a cruise? Are they pilots? Anyways, the cruise captain did come on and say that the weather is expected to be like this all day. So right now it's not raining, but I am going to take my poncho just in case. But the day goes on, and today's activity is pretty much kind of like indoor, outdoor, because I am going to Ocean World. I have a day pass, so we'll see how the day unfolds. Right now I'm getting ready to go eat breakfast, and then I'll get ready to get off the ship so we can head to our first activity.
Life has been crazy, just wanna be okay. How can I pick up the pieces when everything breaks with every day? I'm getting older, I feel the weight upon my shoulders. I'm strong enough, I'll rise above. It's all gonna be okay. If I can be anything, I think I'm gonna be me. I know I gotta be.
We finally made it off. I really want to go down there where like you can see the breakaway sign, but it already is misting. So let's go. I'm officially off the boat. It's kind of chaotic out here, but I have to walk. Yeah, my feet are already wet. I knew I made an executive decision. Hello. I want to take a photo. Thank you.
What's your number?
5228.
5220. There you go. Thank you for smiling, yeah?
All right. A short photo pitch stop. Okay. We have to make our way to the end of the port. I think our meeting point is zone 4.
Okay,
so I already took one.
Got it. Your
Thank you.
number?
5228.
28. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. All right, so my feet are already wet. I should have wore sneakers. Anyways, we're headed to the meeting point. This is my second time in Puerto Plata. The last time it was Carnival Conquest, I believe, and we went ziplining. But today we're going to Ocean Adventure. Oh, this is gonna be a long walk. It is still raining. I had to break out my poncho. My feet are soaked. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to wear these flip-flops. But nonetheless, the show goes on. So, let's see. Bird show, beach, dolphin show. I think this is the way I came. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, by the birds. Woo. This rain wasn't on my bingo card for today. Can I take my camera in here?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go see some birds. Oh, they really like you.
We gotta go.
Hey guys. Hey. All right. That's all for the sharks.
Okay, Ebony. Oh, okay. Yeah, so can you help the podcast? Can you help the podcast? Okay, fine.
Alrighty guys, as you can see, I am back on board. Today was a good day. So despite the weather, it rained off and on, I still had a good time. So I'm about to go downstairs to my room for a bit. I kind of want to take a nap, I don't know. I kind of want to get in a hot tub. Feeling a little indecisive. Right, tonight I want to go to the magic show, but first I gotta go get something to eat. So I'm headed up to deck 7. I think I'm going to 7. to go to the Manhattan main dining facility, grab something to eat. Then after that, we're going to the magic show and the levitation show. And today is karaoke. So you know your girl has to get the karaoke in.